What's percolating YouTube? It's your boy Beth for Superstar, and y'all can see we on Mystery Brand. And before I get into this rant, I mean, it ain't even gonna be a long rant because I'm just over it. It's not like I ordered anything fire. You can see on the screen, it's just a little ring. Like, it ain't that big of a deal. But yeah, shipping on this shit take way too long, and I'm just done. So I'm gonna make that switch to Hype Drop. So yeah, but leave a like if you like the video. Leave a thumbs down if you dislike the video. What else? Oh, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell their friends. We on the road to 1K. The year's almost over, so 2019. I got a lot of stuff for y'all. So I will hit 1K in 2019. So believe that. Anyway, so yeah, y'all can see I ordered this on, let me see if I can blow this bit up. Hold on 1 second. Well, it ain't gonna get that much bigger, but what that bitch say? I can't even see. October 19th. Today is December 11th. Now, it says delivered, right? But nah, it ain't delivered. If we go over here, that bit ain't delivered. That bitch said it got to the United States November 13th. Like I said, today's December 11th. So, where is my package? At first, I didn't even have tracking for like a whole month. Like, they picked up the package on the 7th of November. Mind you, I ordered this on October 19th. So, I don't understand how long it takes to ship a ring. I mean, I know it's not on one of the high priority lists, but still, like, it ain't that big of a deal. It ain't like I won, like, a rare pair of shoes and they can't find it in my size. It's a ring. Like, so, anyways, so that's besides the point. I'm off of that. So if it ever shows up, it shows up. But to all the people in my last video in the comment section saying that I didn't even get anything, I just forgot to show y'all. I mean, if you watch the video, this is the only thing that I didn't press try again. I mean, sell on. So if you was paying attention, then you would have known that I ordered this. But anyway, so let's go over the Hype Drop and see what they're talking about. Oh shoot. I was reading like the messages over here, and people were saying that the payment options, it wasn't working. So let's see. I'm just gonna put in 10 and see what happened. Yeah, payments are in maintenance. So I guess we're not opening anything today. I had 2 other videos planned today, but I don't have my camera. So when I get that back tomorrow, I'll record those 2 videos tomorrow and I'll post those. I'll probably post one tomorrow. And then I have one set to upload on Thursday or Friday or something. I don't know. But this video is going up as soon as I get done editing it. Then another video tomorrow, and then another video sometime after that. So 3 videos, 1 a week. Y'all are welcome. I know this was a short video. It's probably a pointless video, but it is what it is. The title might be a little clickbait, but it's probably not, because I'm telling y'all the truth. I never received my package from Mystery Brand, and I'm switching over to Hype Drop. So I just didn't open anything on Hype Drop, but that's not my fault. I didn't know that the service was down. The servers, the service, the payment thing. So yeah. But Hype Drop is a new wave, and hopefully that'll be working by like Thursday, because I'm definitely gonna go on there. I don't know when I'm gonna put on there yet, but we'll see. We'll see. And it looks like the prizes on Hype Drop are like better. So like you have like a better chance of winning something. And the fact that you can exchange to get something better, I just like that better than this Mystery Brand thing. But that's how life goes. Out with the old and in with the new. Cause I heard there was something else that was like Mystery Brand before Mystery Brand. I forgot the name of it, but heard that shit was whack. So Mystery Brand came in and took all that, and people are still opening these boxes. I guess because the hype drop ain't working. Everybody is on Mystery Brand, or they just have good luck on Mystery Brand. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you leave a like, leave a dislike. It's your choice, not mine. I appreciate everything. I appreciate everybody. Share the video, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend. So we're on the road to 1K. Comment down below if you join in the hype drop train. And until next time, it's your boy, Basketball Superstar, signing out. Y'all be breezy. Alright. Gang. No gang, but gang. Y'all my gang.